Hello my loves, it's Kasia, Plannerista 101. So today we are going to be planning in my dashboard layout, which is the Modern Year Classic Size Happy Planner. I am putting my own page on the left side as always, and I'm going to punch it and we can go ahead and glue it in and go from there. So today we are going to be decorating and planning for the week of June 6th through the 12th, 2022. Oh my gosh, almost half a year is over and I barely blinked. I don't know how that happens, but I'm going to go ahead and glue it down really fast and go from there. And I remove this page and I cut it down usually, and that's how it goes. It's easier for me to do it that way than measure it. And while I am picking out my stickers, so this is called Girl Foiled from Agenda 52. While I'm picking out those stickers, I wanted to say thank you. If you are joining me again, thank you so much. I really appreciate you wanting to spend some more time with me. And if you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. So I'm gonna add these two really beautiful girls drinking lemonade or maybe mojitos, I don't know. And it looks like it's a pool day, so it's kind of perfect when it comes to a pool day, as it is. Summer's approaching, the days are getting hotter. I really like it. So we have some summer chairs and a hat, and I just put the hat on her. I think I'm just gonna leave it. Bathing suits, so little things that I can incorporate into the spread. I hope everybody's week is going well. I know I will be posting this late as I am behind with editing and filming in general, so forgive me that I'm super late. I'm trying to catch up and doing my best that I can. Sometimes it's really hard to do that when you have a full-time job, but I'm trying to do my best. So I'm gonna add across all of this really beautiful greenery. Like so. So it's gonna be kind of like a tropical feeling when you're looking at this. And that's exactly what I'm going for. And then I'm gonna add some free fall leaves to go ahead and mix it up and make it look like it's continuing. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one and kind of place this in a place of it and make a little corner. I think that works quite well. And now I can add some individual leaves to add that beautiful greenery into the spread down below as well. So I'm going to be working with a little bit of innovation here and adding some leaves all over my planner. And instead of using boxes and kind of changing the style, I'm gonna go ahead and just write in the planner itself, but not after not till after I'm done with all the leaves applications. So let's add a beach ball right there. Okay, I'm gonna add the hat to the outfit, some glasses, I'm almost done. I just need to add one more leaf in the sidebar area, and I think I shall be done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.